Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed the Instagram feed in your WordPress site. So for this, what you need to do is simply go to the start button like this. Then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply click on enter. After that, you have to simply put in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. Then click on enter again, and after that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and it will simply take you to a page like this. And from here, what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option. After that, it will simply take you to the site. Here in the plus icon, you have to just simply click on the plus icon. Then you have to search for the Instagram like this. Here you can see here typing, and here you have to just simply choose the Instagram embed, and here you can see that the Instagram URL is already showing here, and just simply place the Instagram link here or the Instagram profile link, and just simply click on the embed option. You can also choose the latest Instagram post here. You have to just simply connect the Instagram with your website right now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.